Hi guys, if you're thinking I'm a ninja, I'm not. I'm just my normal self. I'm just doing it because it's cold. And I thought I could do a Q&A and put this on YouTube. So, yeah. I'm going to get my phone real quick. But I probably won't be able to put it on the screen because I have to edit my other one and my other one I done 2 weeks ago. So I thought, shit. But I won't be doing any videos for another 2 weeks. My GTA broke. But yeah, I'm going to do a Q&A. I bought this off a friend. And yeah, so Q&A today. So first one. Why are you Ricky Mon? Why am I Ricky Mon? I'm Ricky Mon because I wanted to be a YouTuber to see like Jacksepticeye, PewDiePie, and what the fuck is up there doing. Yeah, Jacksepticeye, DanTDM, and I thought, oh shit, how am I gonna go and see them? So I thought, oh, let's go on YouTube.com, create an account, and blah blah blah. So I thought, yeah, let's go and do that. Oh, I just put my email. Fucking hell. But I'll be back in a minute. You don't care. $20 in my pocket. This is fucking awesome.
What she know about rocking the wolf on your noggin? She know about wearing a fur fox. I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's come up. Like your granddad, or don't need a nap. Glad to end up shirt, cause right now I'm up in her skirt. I'm making the real, you can find me in the I'm not pushing in the section.
Yeah, so it's cold because I'm at my nan's. I will be home about 12. What's the time now? Time's 8:20.
They be like, oh, that Gucci, that's so tight. I'm like, yo, that's $50 for a t-shirt. Limited edition, let's do some simple edition.
I need to put this on charge.
Just a bigger
I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I'm back. I'm just going upstairs to put my tablet on charge. But I'm going to still do my Q&A. No. Who are you talking to?
What's it, John? I got shut up.
This is my duck voice. I'm doing a Q&A. Okay, so I'm just, you can see, I'm just putting this up. I thought we might be able to do this. As it's a Q&A, I might show you some of my stuff. Okay. Will you be able to see me on YouTube? Click down on the comments. Subscribe. Leave a comment. I'll answer. And if you're a girl and you don't have a boyfriend, come to this guy. You know, like 13, 14. So I'm 13 or 14. I don't know my own age. Okay. Sky. Sky. school top. This white one. This black. This and my hoodie. Not this. There's a tracksuit. The thing you see right now, this is a ninja suit. But this is actually a ninja suit. So I can go. Ah!
Hey,
What? This guy scared me. I'm just doing Q&A, Sky. Boop, ba-doop, boop, boop, boop.
you want to eat there, the little stick? Try it again. The yellow.
You're in the Q&A.
I was not wrong.
I know.
I'm going to sleep on here.
Okay.
The little cold. Can you cover me up with the cold?
Done.
Can
Just let you
close
know.
the curtain
Can't.
a little bit.
Not allowed to.
Otherwise, Mum tell me off.
So, I'm just looking for my other glove. And we can get started on the Q&A. And it took about 6 minutes just to talk.
Without waking me up.
You know, you can actually bring your tablet in.
Yes, I don't know. What have you done?
I lost my other glove. I've lost my other glove.
I'm not going down there. There might be spiders.
It's not. Otherwise they'll be crawling up by now. Okay, so bye bye.